Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can drop in on Amazon Echo Dot. So it's going to be the same as using it like an intercom. Really useful. You can do it from your phone into here, or you can do it from another Amazon device into here. I'm going to show you both of them in this video here. So if you want to use your phone, for example, this is in your kid's bedroom and you want to call them down for dinner rather than shouting through the house, you can go onto the Alexa app and you can go to devices. It will bring up all your devices. You need to find this particular device. In this one here, it's called No Waffling, and you need to tap on it, and then you have an option to drop in, which is this icon here. We're going to tap that, and then just be patient. It takes a few seconds, and then you can see now it's this, and you can see it's lighting up green here, and right now it's dropping in. Obviously there's horrible feedback, but you would normally be in another room, and then when you're done you would just do that, and then that's it, and it will allow two-way communication. For example, your dinner's ready. Okay, I'll be down in a minute. Now we're going to go to another room and I'm going to show you it dropping in, not from the phone, but from another Amazon device. And I'm going to leave this camera here, filming this one here. So now we're on another device here. Drop into No Waffling. Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good. So it does work well. So there you go. That's how you drop in. And then when you finish, you can just press ends here. And it's nice that it acts as an intercom and you haven't got to shout all throughout the house. Hopefully this video's helped you out. Thanks for watching.